Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you want change your current location and send it to someone fake location, especially on dating application, data privacy and social media application as well. So Mac phone location changer are providing such a facilities. How to use, where is available, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So this is the official URL. I already added this link in video description. You click and come to the directly from here. The Mac phone location changer available for iOS 26 and Android 16 supported. Change location iPhone Android without Jailbreak. This is the one of the unique identity and route as well. Simulate GPS movement along with the customized route and speed as well. Offer several mode of flexible GPS movement. Various scenarios works without location. Best app to like and send it to someone. It's easy, available for Windows and Mac as well. Currently I have in Mac, so I just simply download this application for my Mac. Fake GPS location, mock GPS, change phone location, more practical features available. How exactly work? I just simply select here Mac and trial to free, download here. If you want buy the software, minimum prices are available. Which option you suitable accordingly you should decide. My personal recommendation as a lifetime license is one of the best. After complete this download, I just simply click here, agree and install. In my Mac, simply drag and drop here. Application is installed. I close, open Finder, click app. Here is our app, Mac phone location changer. I just simply click. So after complete, I connect here my iPhone as well, and here is my iPhone screen and here is my laptop screen. I just simply click here in general mode and please keep your device screen unlock. So look at this here. Normally this is the map of my current location. Here is the top of the screen, my current location is showing, and here is the destination location. So I want change my current location. Currently I am here in New York, but I want generate my location based on Washington. I just simply click here and start modify. So look at this here, same location showing in my iPhone as well. iPhone map, which application I use in the map as well. So again I change the location, like in a Spain, in Madrid. So here randomly I select in Madrid location and start modify. And if I start modify, so automatically look at this here, my iPhone screen location is also changed and I came here directly on Madrid. So you can very easily create such a fake location to share someone else as well. So here the route, you can select the route like a walking, bicycle, motorcycle and car as well. So I select here the car route. So this is my route and I just simply start here. So look at this here, car speed is very fast and my location is also changed in live scenario in my iPhone screen. It's really impressive from starting to ending location here and working very nicely. So this is the live. I'm not traveling anywhere, but using this software I can very easily change my location like this. It's really impressive and amazing and easiest way you can very easily access and send your live location someone else, especially on dating application. I just simply stop here, yes, and here the modify, start moving of the modify. I just simply start here and look at this here. This is the cursor in the bottom of the screen of my here video. I can change this one arrow, so I can go here this direction or this direction. I can select here, look at this, accordingly I am moving there. So using this process same as it is in my iPhone map as well. Stop here, some of the different features is also available. You should visit the website, download the software if you want change your location and share someone and enjoy these features. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.